7 tidy and stylish storage hacks using IKEA shoe cabinets. Two things make IKEA Trones a standout when it comes to small space storage. First off, they are cheap. A set of 2 costs $24.99. Next, they are super compact. They are only 6.5 inches in depth. They're a great solution in tight spaces where traditional shelving may not work. Here is another good to know: IKEA Trones are stackable, so you can line up as many as you like to create a floor-to-ceiling storage wall. Trones are perfect for small nurseries. They can be used to stash stuffed animals, diapers, and your baby's clothing. IKEA Trones are also very hackable. Case in point, this floating sideboard is actually a dresser. Trones are perfect for narrow entryways that do not have room for traditional foyer storage solutions. The cabinets shown here keep winter and rain items like hats, gloves, scarves, and compact umbrellas out of sight. If you do not have an inch of cabinet space in your kitchen to spare, a few Trones can create additional storage for essential items. Here's a useful space-saving tip. I use them as recycling bins because they're super easy to clean. Trones are easy to customize using decorative tape, contact paper or peel and stick vinyl as shown here. For some inspiration, check out these super easy customization ideas. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.